So after you've created your projects in Photoshop, so everything that's created here, you rename it, that's the first thing you do. Everything you see here, the shadows, everything was created here in Photoshop. So once you have that well done and you've named each layer, the H, the O, the second O, and the K, then you can take this Photoshop file now into Adobe After Effects. So with our file now in After Effects, we can see we have all our layers named here, the H, O, and the K. So what you do here is you change the anchor point on each one. Ensure the anchor point is somewhere around this top layer here, where the rotation will start from. Ensure this happens for everything. So change your anchor point till it's somewhere where this string is. Do the same thing for everything and be certain you have that, because if not, the rotation will not happen. So once you have that done, then go to rotation on this layer by clicking R on your keyboard. Let the rotation here be, say, -10, and create a keyframe. Then go 1 second ahead and then do, let's say, -10 for that. So once you have that, I can just copy this keyframe by clicking on Ctrl C. Then I go in 1 second ahead and clicking on Ctrl V. I'll click that same thing again just to repeat that same process so we have this correctly. Okay, this doesn't look very nice. What you do here is click on all the keyframes and right click, then go to Easy Ease. So that gives you that fluid movement. So repeat the same process for all the layers here. Okay, so once you've done that, then we see that all of these are moving like this, but we don't want it to look just this boring. So what you do from there is click the keyframe for the second one and make it, let's say, start with the first one, and then just adjust the keyframe placement to make it at least look a bit better than what we see. So do the same thing for the second one as well, adjust it a bit. Do the same thing for this guy as well, adjust it, say, somewhere around here, and adjust your keyframe for the last one to say somewhere around here. Okay, now we have something like this. So this looks a bit better. Yeah, that's nice. Right, so once you have this now, then you can then go into each layer that will expose all the letters. So we have this K, then you can then adjust your anchor point as well here, bring it to this point here, and then you can rotate that K independently. So you can come to the first layer here, or the second layer rather, click on R as rotation. Let's do, say, -2 or -3. Yeah, forward, and then click on your keyframe. Then go to, let's say, 1 second ahead and do the same thing 1 second ahead. Make it, say, +3. So repeat the same process by duplicating, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Do the same thing until you have it up to this level. So repeat the same process for all the letters K, H, O, and O. So just follow that same process for everything. So once you've done that, then we have something like this. Alright, yeah, simple as that. So all we did was just use our rotations and then our anchor point adjustment. So render out, then that's how you make your Photoshop file work for you in After Effects.